Here we are at Enfield bus garage. Some buses here all chained up inside the prison camp, waiting for release tomorrow morning. Well, look at that. It's not even locked. Head of the queue, ENS 39. With the bus full sign in the window. Quite a few buses are now appearing. Don't know if you can read that from here. You must put on a face covering before boarding. Some drivers are writing that on the rear of the bus full sign. And departing the bus garage on route 349 at the start of the journey, DW529. There, DW527 pulls away on route 191 towards Everton Green, coming in the opposite direction. DW555 also on a 191. And you've got DW525 coming into the shed. And a 307 with Metroline TE 1447. Sullivan buses are doing some rail replacement work on the Cheshunt Southbury line. SL97